Hey guys, if you're trying to access some websites and they're not opening on any of your internet browsers, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Start menu and search for Settings. Click on the Settings window, and from the left-hand navigation select Network and Internet. Scroll down and select Proxy. Make sure you have automatically detect settings turned on, and make sure your proxy server at the bottom is turned off like so. Then you can close out of this window, head over to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click on the Control Panel window. Make sure you have View By set to Large Icons, and then select Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings from the left-hand side, and then right-click on the network that you're currently connected to. Then click on Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties, change at the bottom where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically, and we're going to select Use the following DNS server addresses, and then you need to type in here 8888 and 8844. Then press OK and close out of here to save these changes. And lastly, head back over to the Start menu and search for CMD. Right-click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From here, you just need to type in the following commands: netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. And finally type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter. Then you'll need to restart your computer, and then you can try launching up your website, and that should have now solved the issue. If that's still not working, the very last thing you can try doing is heading over to the Start menu, searching for Settings, and then clicking on the Settings window. From the left-hand side, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, and underneath the More Settings tab, click on Network Reset, and then just go ahead and press Reset Now, and this will reset all of your network settings. And sometimes this can also solve the issue. So that's it, guys. Hopefully by now you're able to access certain websites. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.